Here I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings on it, then go to the home screen and wallpaper section, then wallpaper, and here you can select one of the preset wallpapers, or you can just select your own image from gallery here. But I'll go with one of the presets. Could be this one. Looks kinda pretty. Then you tap here. Next you have to select if you want to set it on lock screen, on home screen, or on both. I'm going with home screen. And that's it. As you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.